Hi guys, this is Mia from Mimo Design Laser Files, and today I'll show you how to assemble these gift card holders. The file comes with 3 types of fronts, one with balloons, one with cake, and one with 3 optional text and your own personalization. The balloons are 2 layers, and you could either engrave the strings or score them and paint them. The cake comes as a welded version where it's 1 piece, or you can do this split version. It's easier for painting the candles in my opinion, and you could choose to layer the foam or not layer it. I scored this with 37 years because I actually did this one for my own husband since my birthday is coming up, and he already told me that I'm getting a trip to Rome. Yay! So for the blank version you have for you, congrats, happy birthday, but you could engrave with monogram or whatever you like. The middle parts consists of a version for holding money notes or a love letter or a kid's drawing or whatever you like. I want to make this one for my son so he can gift it to me with a drawing. It also contains the pre-made gift card version. This will break off and then you can reuse it for holding store-bought plastic cards. And it also contains this version for a regular gift card. And I added a value so the gifter can write how much value is on the card. Also, this is the back. Assembling is really easy. Once you've determined which front you want, I'll just move the layering. You paint or stain or whatever you want on the back and the front. The middle parts, I suggest that you sand nice and smooth on both sides. That's for this, the gift card, and also the edge for the other gift card holder. Take the back piece to the lids and glue it on top. The backs are all reversed, so the hole will be reversed as well. If you don't want the hole, feel free to remove it. The middle layers comes with tags or no tags, and I'll show you how to attach those as well. So I'm using Gorilla Super Glue, which dries up pretty fast. So let's just push this down. Oops. And that's the back of the lid. So let's move this over, place it, and the reason I'll recommend this is that you can use the inner part to secure that you don't glue this too snug and it won't fit. So once you have this, just squeeze this over. You take the frame and add glue to it. Place it on top. And make sure that you're aligning it to the back, but not squeezing it in, so this won't fit. So I'll lay it flat again. And get it aligned. And it's still a fit. So I'll just hold these down for a second. And once this is in place, I can glue on the top. And make sure that this is aligned as well. And maybe add some clamps if you don't want to hold it. Like that. I would suggest that you insert the lid and glue the top on. But be careful that you don't glue it to the holder. And now that I see that I've aligned it, I can remove it again and hold it until the glue is dry. So the money bill go in here and you push it down like that. The balloons, I could maybe layer them now. Just move these clamps just a little. So you take the back side of the balloons and place them. Like this. Make sure it's aligned to the edge. And I might even use my clamps. Just move them down to hold the balloon as well. And you take the final balloon and stick it to the top. And make sure that it's aligned to the back balloon. Like that. And that's the first. So all of them assemble the same way pretty much. So I'll just show you again real quick. You take the back and glue the back of the lid. Like that. Hold it for a second. If you use 3M tape, it's just a matter of putting stuff together. Take your edge or frame and I will say that for these pre-made gift cards, it's important that you sand them on both sides and maybe even sand the inner side of the front and the back. That way it won't slide easier. And I'll once again place the card so I am certain that it won't get stuck because I'm squeezing these too tight. I did move this a little while I was holding it. Like that. And again, add glue. And place the front. And I'll just borrow my clamps here because this one should be dry by now. And once again, I could take the gift card and insert it like that, so I'm sure that I'm aligning the front of the lid perfect. Like this. So once it's dry, I'll just layer whatever I want and assembling, and this one is the same as I just showed you. So I'll just leave this at that, and I'll show you how to add the tag if you want. So first off, I need some string of some kind and a scissor. And I don't really do any measurements, but you could if you want. Take the string and fold it in half. Pull it through the back of the tag. Make a loop. Insert the two ends and tighten it. To secure it on the lid, I'll just take the lid and pull the ends through the hole. Like that. I'll insert it again to determine how long I want the tag to hang. And I think it should be about this length. So from the back, I'll make a knot. And tighten it. And secure that I didn't hold the string, I didn't. Tighten it some more. And use your scissor to cut off the ends. And that's that. So this is pretty easy and fast to do, and you could personalize them or you could keep them generic. The tags you could just add with a to, from sign and have people write their own name with a Sharpie pen or such. So thank you for watching, and I'll see you soon.